Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can enroll into the Westpac Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.westpac.com.au and hit enter. After the home page of the Westpac Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. In this page, you'll have to find the register for online banking option and click on it. It is located in the red box on the right hand side of your screen. Once you click on the register button, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your credit or debit card number here, your first name here, your last name here, and your date of birth here, and then click on the next button. After you click on the next button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be further guided to another page which will help you to register to the Westpac online bank account. I hope this video helped you to register into the Westpac bank account. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.